Hello friends, welcome to your channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell about the Nosana token listing on the Gate.io. So before I will start, please do subscribe and share and like this video. And please do comment your review on this video and all this video. If any query and confusion, please comment. So let's start this video. As you know, the voting process has been completed for the Nosana, which symbol is NOS. Initial sale result has been coming and listing schedule is also came to Gate.io. So if you are interested to invest in the Nosana, just you have to visit Gate.io app or website. Link is also given in the description section. First of all, you need to be a member of Gate.io. So sign up link is also given in description section. So let's start the video. First of all, what is the activity? One Nosana NOS token sale result. Get.io started Nosana sale result is as follow. NOS, it means Nosana. The startup sale amount is 8 lakhs NOS and total value of order in USDT is 64051,380 USDT. Total value of qualified order in USDT is 63216480 USDT. Total number of orders are 23097. The number of qualified orders are double to 426. Percentage of qualified order 97%. Okay, here the average qualified order is given. Same thing I will also mention the description section from where you can easily check it out. And any question, any query, then let me know. I will reply in comment section. Okay. F distribution ratio is equal to 0.0012654, something like this. And per the previous announcement, all qualified order will be obtained the token on sale equally. To guarantee transparency and fairness, all original record are stored for possible third-party auditing. Okay, so here one thing which is to be attention paid: most unqualified order occurs due to insufficient balance in the user account. As you know, if you are want to participate in listing, so make sure you are having some amount or sufficient balance in your account, in your Gate.io account. So please ensure there is sufficient balance available exceeding the purchasing value. Okay, suppose if you are purchasing for the 10 USDT, then there should be at least 15 USDT or more than 10 USDT for the order by. The insufficient balance will result in the cancellation of the purchase order. Okay, second thing is NOS listing. We will commence, this is the announcement from the Gate.io. We will commence NOS trading at January 17th from 1400 UTC. The withdrawal service will be also available after the listing. Okay, here I will mention deposit link in the description section from where you can directly negotiate to that page for the depositing this NOS token. Trade, if you want to trade on the NOS, then also a link is given in the description section. Let's see further. Gate.io startup initial offer. What is it? Let's see. Gate.io startup has become increasingly more popular amongst the user with an excellent performance since the launch. Okay, in 2020, Gate.io startup initial offer has upgraded to version 2.0, and they are providing more flexible and diversified service to attract more promising projects. At the same time, we are aiming at provide more protection to our user. If you are a project team and want to commence your initial token sale here, submit the request below. It means if you are having any token and you supposed to be listed on any of the exchange, so I think Gate.io is the best exchange for the listing your own token. So if you are going to list any token on the Gate.io, it means you are very much aware about the procedure and requirement for the listing. If you don't know about the procedure and requirement of the listing, you can go through the Gate.io description. It is also mentioned in the description section from where you can easily read and understand how you can apply your token to list on the Gate.io. If your project has had initial token sale and wants to be listed at Gate.io, you may also apply to participate in our voting for listing activity. Okay, if you are our user and have a good project to recommend, please fill the application form and let us know. Let the work together to boost development of the Gate.io and create more benefit to our users. So this is an announcement from the Gate.io, and here it is for the NOS listing. NOS listing has been started now. You can directly trade or directly deposit NOS token by given link in the description section. Thank you for watching video.